Hey, this is Rob with Eco Panels of Tennessee, and I'm out here in the shop, and we've got a little cabin structure, ADU, set up behind me. And we kind of want to talk about a new product that we're doing here at Eco Panels of Tennessee, and that is an outside skin choice of the panels, outside surface. So we have, of course, regular OSB, and then the green zip board, which is very popular. We do a lot of that. And so now we're incorporating this. This is LP SmartSide. If you can get in there closer, it has a cedar wood texture. It is an OSB product. This is a primer that's on it. So that's this brownish color, tan color is actually a primer. So we can produce panels that already have this on here that once it's finished would give you a board and batten look, you know, with the board, you know, the batten strips. So couple of things about it though, okay, because it has to be handled a little differently. So what we've done is, first of all, in design, you have to have some flexibility in your design to move window and door openings so that the batten strips work out right. So what we did on this one is we've planned for a batten strip every foot, right? So you would have strip, seam, there's a strip, 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 strip. It all comes out even, where every panel seam is on a 1 foot increment so that when you put your battens on, it'll look right. Now, if you've got it depends on your level of OCD, okay? Because I've had some customers that can handle one of the battens being off an inch or so. And then I've had some customers, like my wife, who could not handle that. They would see it all the time. So you can either live with the battens being off a little bit, or we can adjust windows and doors just a little. We're working on a design project now where we had to move a couple of windows like an inch and a half, just to make it jive out right, to be on either 1 foot or 2 foot or 16-inch centers for the strips that go up and down to make the board and batten look. Now, we're going to make several videos of installation on this as well, because there are some certain procedures to seal this up correctly. It has to be painted correctly. It has to be caulked correctly. So stay tuned for that. But the big deal is, for honestly not a terrible upcharge in the panels, you're halfway sided. Still got to trim it out and do your battens and all that, but you can already have this on the outside of your panels. That saves you a lot of time. It's going to save you a lot of money. It's a really cool thing. These have been tested by our engineer structurally. It's every bit as strong as any of the other products that we use. It just does take some certain careful installation things. So we're going to make a whole series of videos on this. So watch for those on our YouTube channel. But we are now offering the LP SmartSide, and you can look it up on the internet. It's a really good product, as an exterior skin option from Eco Panels of Tennessee. Find out more on our website, of course our YouTube channel. And if you'd like to ask questions about this, or let us take a look at your design and discuss how it might work or might not work for you. We're not going to tell you this is the greatest thing ever, but it's an option that might be really good for you and something that you want. We want to talk to you about that. So send me an email, send me a text, give me a call. We look forward to talking to you about your project here at Eco Panels of Tennessee.